This is what we need to learn, and perhaps this 10 days exposure would have given you this opportunity that in different places we are all Indians. Nobody recognizes us as a Naga or a Kuki or a this thing. There you are from Manipur. When we go abroad, we are from India. I may be from Punjab, but when I go abroad, I am from India. Same thing for you people. When you are abroad, you will be Indians. When you are in different parts of India, you are Manipuris. Within Manipur, yes, we have divided ourselves, but hopefully when we are developed, some of you, one person spoke very well, they could see the development. And when development takes place, you know, everything, there's no difference. Everybody is only looking at development, working, growing, how you are living life and all. Mumbai, you must have seen, it's a busy life. Perhaps there's not even a minute available in your mind to think anything else.
Flag in Tauriba National Integration Tour by the Assam Rifles na Sinbiba National Integration Tour si Lotion Bagi Habatari Akoibu Chatluraga Amuk Hanna Mapam Sida Flag in Tauraga Pangtok Piriba Tauramasida Mayamamakak Sigi Tour Sigi Matang the Haitare Mayamamakak Tamjaninge Tour se Akoina Han Bachat Pamatam the Koze Community Marie Haitare Kuki Naga Maitei and Maitei Pangal Akoi Community Marie Sina koi mi taruk haitare community khuding ma kinupi ahum nupa ahum smaina represent tawraga chat
awanu aije akoi na hamba visit tawbaje akoi ahambada sidagi imphaldagi fly set up of tawaga akoi kolkata da taye the kolkata da tabaga kolkata dagi akoina ahamba visit tawbasina Kerala do idune Kerala governor adu Kerala governor unabas yamna akoina excited oye yam harawe haida akoi punsida dream oina khakdala yaragadaba phangani haba thajaba leitaba aduga akoina haidi thajadana sumaina interact tobodo yamna harawe aduga situation aduga akogi weather condition je Manipur ga Kerala haitaraga di Kerala sadikmati akogi yamna sai aduga akoi Manipur ji yamna ingba oi aduga sigi khenaba ji jodum leye.
I learned different diverse community, like compared with Manipur, the southern part is quite different. The weather is also a bit hot comparing with Manipur, and then their cuisines are also different. Like in Manipur, we have a bit spicy things, but in southern part they prefer sour items. And then we taste different cuisines as well, and then we meet different peoples. They have good heart, and then they have high cleanliness maintenance. I mean, like they are very clean comparing with us. So that is the thing which I learned.
Okay, then anything you want to say to Assam Rifle for this?
Yeah, I'm very thankful to Assam Rifle because without the help of this Assam Rifle, we wouldn't be getting chance or opportunity to visit the southern part of India. It is a wonderful tour. We have a happy time.